My name's Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencast Online. Organising and retrieving files is a key part of working on almost any operating system, and macOS is no different. The built-in Finder application has many great features. However, for many of us, it falls short in certain areas and doesn't seem to receive the care and attention from Apple that it needs. Thankfully, there are applications out there that can call themselves power user alternatives to the Finder, and today I'm going to cover one of those. That's Pathfinder. Developed by Cocoatech and currently in version 8, Pathfinder has received a significant code rewrite since our last video in 2015, laying the foundation for new features to be made available through future minor version updates. So let's see how Pathfinder looks. Right, we're going to start by heading to Cocoatech's website, and we can see the download link there front and centre on the home page, as well as a byline below telling us that we can try it free for 30 days, which is great. I'm just going to head up to the Purchase tab so that we can see how much it is currently. Okay, it's important to know that if you currently have Pathfinder 7, upgrading pricing is available. However, you have to activate this from within Pathfinder itself. If you're a new user, through clicking the Purchase tab will bring up a window that shows you that it's $40 currently at the time of recording. I'm just going to click the download link. Also, a pop-up appears reminding us that we can use Pathfinder unrestricted for 30 days. And if you want to sign up for the newsletter, then go for it here. I've already signed up, so I'm going to pass on that for now. Once it's downloaded, double-click the installer and run through the standard installation process. So the first time we open Pathfinder, we need to agree to the license agreements as you would expect. So I'll click agree, and once more. The option to purchase is once again made available, but for now I'm just going to use the trial version and click buy later. Remember, it's fully unlocked, so there are no restrictions here at all. So when your application opens for the first time, there are two windows that appear straight away. And this is only because it's the first time the application has been run. The modules window is a new feature in Pathfinder that allows you to attach modules, a little bit like Lego bricks, to the main Pathfinder window. And we're going to cover this in detail later. So I'm just going to click the Got It button and close the window.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.